strobe and shape contouring and highlighter stick from Blueheaven and range with avocado oil and mango butter. Want to see a review on my face? If yes, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Hauls and Reviews. Yes, again I'm fulfilling my promise of getting the reviews of new launch product. Today it is going to be a new launch product from Blueheaven and range. Now this is going to be their strobe and shape contouring and highlighting stick. Now you will wonder ki okay fine, let it be, Meghna must be having only one shade. Then dear, you are wrong over here. I have got both the shades. Yes. Now why I have got both the shades? Because while selecting online I was confused because I like the highlighter of one particular thing and I like the contour of the other thing. I cannot get half stick. I have to get the full stick, and that is why I got both the shades. Right. Now we'll just directly move towards the packaging. It is same. There a particular their uniform packaging of Blueheaven and range, blue and pink packaging. This is the packaging. Now I'll just read all the brief what is given on the packaging. It says Blueheaven strobe and shape contouring and highlighting duo stick with avocado oil and mango butter. First side. Second side, glow from within, a chiseled look with this highlighter contour duo. Mango butter gives you hydration. Apricot oil helps in seamless blending, does not clog pores, and avocado oil works as an antioxidant because avocado oil has antioxidant properties. Right. On the third side, when you move, they can tell you the MRP. MRP of this particular product is 300 rupees. The manufacturing is January 22. As I said, this is recently manufactured and it is good for 36 months. So till January 22, 23, 24, and in January 25 this product will expire. Also the shade is given over here itself. First is Fairy Light, that is for fair to medium, and the second one is Magnificent Deep, medium to dusk. Now if at all it is visible, you can see over here only Fairy Light and Magnificent Dusk. I say Magnificent Deep, I'm so sorry, it is for medium to dusk. This is what the clarifications about the shades and all given over here. Now when we move towards the fourth side, how to use: contour with the darker shade to sculpt the feature, and second point, use the lighter shimmery shade to highlight the face, highlight the high point features. Breeze through your makeup with this handy dual-ended stick, achieve a chiseled look in a jiffy. That is what is basically given. And as usual, when you open the box, you just have to open it, and there is a proper gap given over here. Here your highlighter and contouring stick comes. Right. Now this is the inside packaging, and as I always say, on top they have given you a barcode, as well as they say for which shade you have ordered. Suppose if I have ordered Fairy Light, then it is for fair to medium skin tone, and if at all I have ordered Magnificent Deep, then it is medium to dusk. That is what is given on the outer packaging of the product. Now when we'll talk about the inner packaging, of the product, is this kind of a dual pink stick. This is the pink stick, and both the ends they have transparent plastic cap. Right. On the stick it says Blueheaven strobe and shape, okay, duo stick with avocado oil and mango butter. That is what is given, and the shade which is for contour, it is given over here for contour, and which is for highlighter, it is given over here highlighter. It is written with very small font. I am not sure whether the camera will capture. Over here also this says contour and this says highlighter. Suppose if a beginner is doing a makeup and that person doesn't know, then from the stick itself they can easily make out. When you just turn the packaging, they say, okay, I forgot to tell you the net content. Net content in this particular product is 3.5 gram, including both the products. So 3.5 grams you are going to get. They have given you the net content, manufactured by, this is made in India, and as usual not tested on animal product. On the stick itself they have given you the MRP, the manufacturing, as well as the expiry. So if you want to throw away the packaging, easily you can do that. Now when you open the packaging, when you open both the caps, I'll just show you how much product does it have. You have to twist the upper part, not the stick. Basically you just have to twist the upper cap. Now this much is the total product in both the side. Right, this is for the highlighter and this is for the contour. This much product you are going to get. Both the stick has the same product. Right, now what I'll do is I'll just swatch it for you on my hand. One side it will be darker and one side below it will be the lighter. Sorry, top it will be lighter and below it will be darker, so that you will have an idea. So this one is for lighter one. I'll just swatch the dark also, so that you will have an idea. You can compare the shade. Now you can see this one is for the lighter skin. It is kind of orange, and this is the highlighter, and this is for the darker. This is kind of a dark brown shade, and this is the highlighter. Now the highlighter what you are going to get in the lighter one is kind of a pink shift, not exactly total pink, kind of a pink shift it has. And the one which you are going to get in the darker one, basically it is kind of silver. They could have gone for some golden shade, because that is what generally suits. That is what particularly my perception. Of course, each and everybody's perception keeps on changing. My perception, that is my way of thinking. If it would have been kind of a gold, then it would have like matched in a better way. That is what I wanted to tell you. I have told you the gram and everything. Now what we will do, we will just move towards the demo of this both the stick. On my left, I will be applying the lighter shade, and on my right hand side, I will be applying the darker shade. And when you talk about the shade, then on one side of the cap, that is on one side of the packaging, it says the variant. That is, I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. On the cap itself, it says the which you have ordered, so you don't have to worry. Suppose if you have, in any case you can make out, there are not lot of shades, only 2 shades, so from the contour stick only you can make out. But suppose still if you don't understand, it is given on the cap itself, that is on the head of the cap. Now we will move towards the demo. Yes, now we'll move towards the demo of this particular stick. As I already told you in the earlier intro part, that I have 2 different shades, that is both the shades I have. So now what I'll do, on my left I'll be applying the lighter shade, and on my right I'll be applying the normal, which is for medium to deep skin. Right, now on the stick itself, when I showed you in the demo, it says Fairy Light, which is for lighter skin. I'll apply on my left side. So what I'll do is, first I'll apply the contour. Basically this contour is kind of orange, so I am not sure how it will look on my face, on my skin, but still we will try. Generally I do not contour because my face is already very slim, but still I'll try to do it for you, and if at all something goes wrong, then you can understand. Right, so now I'm taking this contour stick. You can see here only it is orange, and I'm taking my beauty blender. I'm not sure how it will look and all, so I'm just blending it with my beauty blender, because that is how, if at all I apply with my beauty blender only. I generally don't use makeup brush. Just for the camera sake, I'm taking little bit extra, because I don't think this is visible. So I'll take little bit extra. I am taking extra, again and again I'm telling you. Yes, I'll just come little bit close to the camera. Can you see here? Very light, because this is kind of orange shade. Okay, now I'll take the darker, okay, I forgot to blend my nose. Now I'll take the darker shade, and this is really dark. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture or no. Can you see here? You can go heavy handed. Generally I do not apply, and you can see on my nose also, you can go heavy handed if you like pure contoured cheeks, you can go, and then after that you can just use your like translucent powder and you can cut the strokes also if you want. I generally don't do it. This is just for the shade, like how which shade looks how. So this is the lighter one and this is the darker one. Now I just would like to tell you one thing, this is little bit messy, so whenever you try to close, you, because this product doesn't go fully inside, so if at all you are in a hurry, you can break the product and you can accidentally push hard the product and all, so you have to be very careful. Though I am doing it very carefully, still you can see the caps, so you have to be little careful. Now I'll just take this highlighter. This one is the darker one. You can see Magnificent, it is written on the cap. I'm taking the darker stick highlighter, but before that, yes, let me first apply the blush. So what I'll do is I'll just apply the blush. It is from the Sugar palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. I'm just taking this one. I'm taking the blush, this blush. Okay, so I will just, you can see the blush now, right? Now I'll take the highlighter first, as we did, we'll take the highlighter of the lighter one only. This is the highlighter. I'm just taking little bit and I'll blend with my fingers only. I'm not sure how it is going to fare up because this is a cream product. Can you see the highlighter? Yes, of course, for this pigmentation I have to struggle a lot because this is for the lighter skin. I'll just keep it open only. And this is the darker one, the Magnificent one, Magnificent Deep. Yeah, so I'm taking this highlighter. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture because these highlighters are not that blinding, at least. You can see in the camera, right? This is the lighter one, this is the darker one. Right, now what I'll do is I'll just go and touch up my final face, full face, and I'll be right back. Yes, now you already have seen the demo and everything. First, before moving towards my final thought, I would just like to tell you what I'm having on my lips. It is from the blueheaven Silk and Stain range, lip tint range. I already have one separate full video doing the lip swatches of all the shades. If at all you have not watched that video, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so go ahead and you can watch that video. I have included each and every detail in that. The shade which I'm having is right now Sunset Orange. Okay, that is the shade of my lipstick. Now you will ask me my final thought. Then for me, generally contouring is not a big thing. I generally do not contour my face because, as I already told you in the demo, my face is kind of very slim, thin. So I don't have to generally contour, but if at all, if I would have to be, then I will prefer powder. Rather taking this sticks, I will prefer powder. Now you will say why? First thing, because the lighter contour, it is kind of orange, which I don't prefer, and the darker one is of course a very good contour, but then again that highlighter is I don't prefer. I prefer the highlighter of the lighter shade. So for me, I had to purchase both the products, right? And if at all a beginner is trying to use, and if you like the highlighter, like if you like the highlighter and the contour stick combo, then yes, very good, you can go ahead. 300 rupees, and definitely blueheaven you can find on lot of discounts and lot of sales. The products which I like, I have purchased it from Purple. I'll give you my referral code also in the description box as well as in the comment section. If you will use my code, you will get some discounts. And also on Purple, this is not at all sponsored video. As I always say, this all the products are purchased by my own money. And if you at all, because Purple gives lot of great sales, deals and discounts. Right now when I'm filming the video, they have flat, I think 30% on 30 or maybe 20% on the end range, and so that is a very good deal. So if at all you get the deal, go ahead, grab the deal and you can buy the products, because you have lot of good products in this range. I like the tint, the skin tint, I like it very much. I like that this lip tint also very much. These two products very good. I still have to test. Lip glosses are also good. Then because I have the whole range, so there are a lot of good products and there are misses. I am not at all saying this is a miss, but for me generally I do not prefer this kind of a stick. And in any case, this is not a new concept. NYX already had this kind of duo stick. I think there are a lot of other brands, they have this kind of things. So I would have I'm very eager if at all Blueheaven, this particular and range comes with some kind of a face palette, maybe contour, highlighter and blush, similar kind of this kind of a blush, a palette, face palette, or maybe some eyeshadows, then it will be a great, because they have lots of good products. Yeah, so if at all you like the combo, go ahead, you can buy. And I've already bought, so I cannot say ki I'm not going to use. Since I've got, I will use it, but I will use the highlighter of the lighter shade, and for contour I will use the darker shade. That is what I prefer on my skin. And since my do not do much, you cannot see right now much, but you can go heavy ended. I do not prefer heavy ended. Yeah, try to cover each and every point. Even I am tired talking only, so try to cover each and every point. But still, if you have any query, any questions related to this product or in general, you can let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Insta handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there and you can send me your query over there also. Yes, and yeah, again I'm telling you, if you are not following me on Instagram, please don't do it. Please go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I do post lot of reels and short videos which I cannot upload over here. I try to upload over there, so you will miss out something, some or the other thing, right? So that's it for today's video. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like the video, like and share, please, it's a request. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.